Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make isi-ewu at home. Have you been wondering how they prepare those mouth-watering isi-ewu? Don't worry, I'll be teaching you how to prepare it in the comfort of your home, and you won't be scammed again in those shallow water. Meanwhile, if you are hearing this voice for the first time, my name is Grace and I make recipes you'll find interesting from my kitchen. Just click on the link below and subscribe to our channel. That's all. We'll start by cutting and washing the isi-ewu. We'll be pouring this into a pot. I use a total number of 3 isi-ewu, that's goat head. I'll be adding my onion, seasoning cube, and I'll pour water and cover the pot and allow it to cook. The isi-ewu is almost ready. I'll be adding salt now. I didn't add salt initially because I wanted the isi-ewu to cook fast. We are not cooking this with a pressure pot, so we're going to cook it and allow the water to dry up. You can see all the whole liquid has dried up, so I'll just stir everything together and we are now ready to prepare the main ngo for this isi-ewu. One good thing about allowing the water to dry up is that the whole seasoning we use is actually going to enter inside this isi-ewu. I will take one and test whether everything is perfect. In an empty pot, we'll be pouring in our palm oil and our potash water. I'll be mixing everything together until it is well combined. First thing we'll be adding is our roasted ehuru, that's African nutmeg. I will roasted it first before grinding. When you roast your ehuru, it helps bring out the aroma very well. So anything we add, I will just stir up. I will add in my crayfish and seasoning powder. I'll be adding in our shredded utazi. This will help give that sweet and bitter taste. And I'll add it in my pepper. I use Cameroon pepper for this. Now we'll be pouring in our goat head that has been cooked to perfection. It is the time for ngwongwo. We'll be mixing everything together thoroughly. After the mixing, I tested for salt and we had a need for a little more salt. So I'll be adding salt and I'll stir everything together. There is no remedy when you add too much salt, so always tend to add the salt towards the end of the cooking or mixture. So now see how it is looking. It is remaining our final touch, which is our ugba. What is this here without ugba? So we'll be adding ugba and be mixing everything together. It's also called oyubin in English. See, our isi-ewu adigope ready. The isi-ewu is ready. This is now time for us to scoop into our plate or that our scam mortar, and we'll finish it up by garnishing with sliced onions, pepper and utazi. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below. Kaiga made justice to this. This goes down well with palm wine. I will see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.